We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Prime Day is around the corner. And then we got Santa Claus coming. So definitely check these guys out. And if you're in the market for one of these, ooh, BlueHorn. The remote shutter is for only smartphone, not for cameras. Alright. So we got a tripod. Checking in. I can get it out. I'm using a different tripod now. My old one broke that I've been using for several years, and it finally broke. So now I got these tripods. Hopefully they do the same, because I like the other one I had because it went lower. So hopefully we got an extended clip. And twist. Okay. And it's got some weight to it. Good to travel. Got the USB right here. Ooh, nice little shutter. Got the tilt. I don't know if you guys can see. See this camera? This tripod don't go low like I'm used to going low with my other one. So we'll keep it like this. But really nice. And I had to stretch, twist, to raise it. Here we go. Shutter right there. Nice buttons. Put it back. And we just pop. Yeah, see how it. There we go. Easy peasy, guys. Extended. Okay, so I could shoot like that way. Here we go. Or that way. So there you have it. BlueHorn 3-in-1 selfie stick. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.